Market is crushing. Sell, sell, sell. What investors need to do in today's volatile market. The stock market is currently incredibly volatile. When this happens, investors tend to make emotional decisions, which they may regret later on. So, what should we do when the market is volatile? Welcome to our channel Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Today, we'll discuss some tips on how to deal with a volatile market. But before we begin, please click on the like and share button. Don't forget to hit subscribe too, so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Let's start. If you've been following the stock market movement, you know that a lot of stocks are hitting new 52-week lows. Netflix is down by 20% while Amazon's stock prices dropped as well. In this video, we'll discuss things that will help you get through a volatile market. Understand what you own and why you own it. We should know what we own and why we own those stocks. It's one of the rules followed by Warren Buffett. Remember, the stocks aren't just numbers that we see on screen. They're actual ownership in a real business that provides cash flow for its investors. Understanding this means we'll be less likely to focus on the market's short-term volatility, just like what's happening today. We should concentrate on what the business is doing since day one and if the company is still growing. If you consider the long-term growth of the business, you won't worry about how its share price is doing today unless you have plans of buying. You don't have to invest all your time and effort in tracking the performance of the stocks in your portfolio. If you do, you'll only end up feeling anxious and stressed. As long as the companies that you've invested in are doing fine and they're not at risk of going out of business, then there's nothing to worry about. If you're a long-term investor, you shouldn't focus on how your stocks are doing daily. Instead, you should live your life, learn, read, study new skills, be with your loved ones. Go out and enjoy. Nobody can predict the future of security and crisis. It's actually very simple. We can never predict the future of a crisis. We will never know what will happen to the stock prices. Instead of trying to predict things, why don't we focus on the things that we can control? And if we are investors, the only thing we can control is our emotions and thoughts. Emotions can be positive and negative, so move to positivity. Don't be stuck with negative emotions and thoughts. H2. Learn to control your thoughts and emotions. Focus on how we act as an investor. If we want to be an intelligent investor, we don't immediately sell our stocks because the stock price has dropped. We only consider letting go of our position if the underlying fundamentals of the business have negatively changed. But if the underlying business is stable and continuing to grow, then the stock price will follow over the long term. That's it for now. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it relevant, please don't forget to leave a comment and click on the like button. Subscribe to our channel too, if you want to watch more videos about investing and the stock market. Thank you for giving us your time and for checking out our channel. Hope to see you again in our next video. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.